One of our earliest sensory experiences is that of hearing. Actually, we can already hear before being born. Room acoustic design can positively affect the first oral experience of this baby. Instead of entering our world in such a noisy room, the baby could have been experiencing this. Here, we are closer to experiencing acoustics as it is in our natural outdoor environment. Optimal acoustics can be created by choosing the right amount and the right placement of absorption material. The success of modern education lies in allowing children to share and discuss information. Providing the right acoustics will increase the quality of teaching and learning. The open plan office solution is, acoustically speaking, one of the most challenging scenarios. By limiting the sound from spreading, we can reduce disturbance and acoustically improve the working conditions in the open plan. Ecophone has the knowledge, the tools and the solutions to make room acoustics in your project a success. Together, we can bring room acoustic comfort into people's lives.